Changing the linear bearings on the stroke assembly. Using the SAWS touchscreen, move the stroke assembly base that holds the linear bearings to a visual middle position. Then, push in an e-stop. Open the side access door to the stroke elevation chamber. The machine's main disconnect switch must have power coming to it and be in the on position for the stroke elevation chamber door to unlock. Now, do a proper lockout-tagout procedure on the machine's main disconnect switch on the electrical panel. Next, locate the panel or disconnect in the plant that supplies the power to the machine and do a proper lockout and tagout procedure on it. This photo is just an example of a disconnect. Push in on the yellow lockout lever on the main air pressure regulator and lockout-tagout the lever to prevent pneumatic parts from moving. Save all bolts and pins removed for reuse. Measure from the bottom of the plate, just left of the stroke assembly that holds the linear bearings, to the inside bottom of the machine floor. Cut a 2x4 and place it there as an extra brace while replacing the linear bearings. Before removing the bearings, note the orientation of the grease fittings so they will be correct on the install of the new bearings. Only remove and replace 2 bearings at a time. Remove the 8 bolts from the top 2 linear bearings and slide them off to the left. Keep the plastic covers on the new bearings to protect the ball bearings, as the cover will slide off as you slide the new bearings on. With the grease fittings in the correct orientation, slide the 2 new bearings onto the top linear rail and replace the 8 bolts. Now, remove and replace the bottom 2 bearings following the same procedure. Once all the new bearings are in place and secure, grease them, as they must be greased before putting the machine back into use. In the future, grease them regularly as part of your preventive maintenance program. Remove the 2x4 brace. Close and secure the side access door. Reverse the lockout-tagout procedure on the air regulator and slide the lockout lever in to allow airflow through the system. Reverse the lockout-tagout procedure from the electrical panel and turn the disconnect handle on.